at this. Fucking Saturday, 17:58, 50 seconds, year 2026, 4th month, April, 18th day. So, the brother went and got a small wood block here and wrapped the fucking paper around the block. It's a little fucking block. And there's the coarse sandpaper or emery cloth. There's the coarse paper, and then there's the fine paper. This one's 500 grit. This one's probably 300, or probably 200. And just shine them all up. See, just flip the camera here. Military camera now. I can fucking zoom in on these things. Got them nice and shined up. That's the best that they would buff out for now. As far as the fingers that Russell has here. That fucking filing all the fucking sand in the fucking fingers to fuck. That's them. Remember, the inside is the most important part. And remember, these things are copper, and they squeeze flat. These things squeeze flatter. So the tighter to put them down, if there's a leak, just tighten them up a little bit more, and they'll squish. It's a softer metal. So look at the inside, look at the donut ring inside. And then Russell did the same thing with the edge of this. See right there? How nice and shiny. And then cleaned out the middle with a rag. Put a rag in there to clean out the fucking filings. And then, of course, this side. Right there. Zoom in on that. It's all fucking awkward, fucking backwards, awkward. So, anyway. That's coming from behind everything. looking on the outside. And then from over here on the outside now. So, anyway. Last video. Got fucking hacked by the deep state fucking sore losing fucking computer hacker fucks. Can you see that? See that? Kiss that ass. Then when you're ready, you come to Mama's Tits and have a good suckle, have a high five with it all, you know. But, you know, you want to be a sore-ass fucking poor sport loser, can't shake hands at the end of the fucking game and say, good game. Well, tough shit then. One day, it'll happen. Anyway, remember, just a poor sport actor, though. Acting like a poor sport. So hopefully this video comes out. Anyway, so we'll get that all back together and see if that solves the problem. All right, later.